Hi, today let us learn the new unit Unchanging Relations or Algebra. What do these boys say? Is algebra easy? Yes, whenever I don't know a number, I can use x. We can apply it here. See, can you say the number of candies in each bottle? We have to count it, isn't it? But before counting it, we can use letters X, Y, Z, N, and if there is one more bottle of the same type, same number N, then M. So we can use letters instead of the number of candies in each bottle. Studies on numbers are generally known as arithmetic, and stating them using letters is called algebra. So we have used algebra here. Then what do you mean by sum of three numbers? If you are taking any three numbers, here let us take this number here in this bottle. X candies are there, and here Y, and here Z. Sum of three numbers means here we can take it as X plus Y plus Z. And if we are taking these three, we can write it as M plus X plus Y. And whatever may be the letters, we can write sum of three numbers is equal to any letter we can use, and using this plus sign X plus Y plus Z. 5 is added to a number X plus 5. That means here we have taken X here, the number of candies here. 5 more candies are added to this jar, so it will become X plus 5. So 5 is added to a number means X plus 5. Y minus 2 means 2 is subtracted from a number. If here y minus 2 is written there, so we can say that if 2 candies are taken out from this jar, then the number of candies here would be y minus 2. 10 is added to the sum of two numbers x plus y, sum of two numbers. 10 is added to it plus 10. 2 is subtracted from a number added to another number. A number is added to another number and 2 is subtracted from it. X plus y minus 2. A number multiplied by 2 is 2n. Here we can see it. Here n. If there are 100 candies in this bottle and the same 100 candies would be here also. So the sum of these two is 200, we know, if it is 100. Similarly, 2 times the number n and n. A number is multiplied by 2. It is 2n. The difference of two numbers is m minus a. Another number is subtracted from the sum of a number and 3. Sum of a number and 3 is x plus 3. Another number is subtracted from it. Any other letter we can use. Minus p. So, here we have written in ordinary language these long sentences, and it has become very short while writing it as algebraic expression. That is what this girl is saying. You mean this large math book became so small on translation? Brother, that is algebraic shorthand for you. Yes, algebra is just like a shorthand in mathematics. See, area of a rectangle is, we know that it is 6 into 4, 24 square centimeter here. And in general, we can say that if the length is L and the breadth is B. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. We can write it in short as A is equal to L into B. And if it is M and N, A is equal to M into N. And in the same way, we can say about perimeter of a rectangle. Here, what is perimeter? This length plus breadth plus this length plus this breadth. The total length of this rectangle is the perimeter. And here 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. That is 2 times this 7 and 2 times this 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3. That we have learned earlier, isn't it? So P is equal to 2 into 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 20 centimeter. Similarly, here 8 plus 4, 12. P is equal to 2 into 12, 24 centimeter. And in general, we can say that if the length is L and the breadth is B, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to P is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula to be remembered, and that here also we use algebra. And we have a long question. Before that, let us see the small one. Okay, as an example. Then add to a number 2 more than the number. For that, consider or suppose we went to a hotel with our friends. Then ordered a plate of chapati. The plate came and it was not enough. We ordered one more plate. It came and it was very delicious, so we ordered 2 more. Again came. While billing it, we hadn't counted the number of chapatis in the plate. So what would we say? How many chapatis we had taken? 2 sets of chapatis plus 2. That we will write in algebra as x plus the first plate, x number of chapatis we haven't counted it before eating, x plus then x plus 2 is same as 2x plus 2. That is, in ordinary language we can say that adding to a number 2 more than a number is same as adding 2 to twice the number. Okay. So let us see the question. Do each of the following operations on several numbers. This is in our textbook. Okay. Do each of the following operations on several numbers and describe the results in a different form. Write each such relation in ordinary language. Then write it as an algebraic expression using letters. First, let us see the same question once again. Add to a number 2 more than the number. We have to do each of the following operations on several numbers and describe the result in a different form. We have to do with several numbers. Suppose in that plate there were only 3 chapatis. Taking the numbers as 3, 4 and 5 respectively. First we can take the number as 3. Add to a number 2 more than the number 3 plus 2 more than the number 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Describe the result in a different form. We have to describe it as 2 into 3 plus 2 as we have already seen. X plus 2. A plate of chapati plus 2 more than the plate is equal to 2x plus 2. So 2 into 3 plus 2. and taking 4 in the place of number of chapatis, we can take 4. 4 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is same as 2 into 4. 2 sets of chapatis plus 2. 2 into 4 plus 2. Okay. And doing it with the 5 also. We can write so. So that is on several numbers we will get the same relation. Okay. This is the relation is x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2. And we can write each such relation in ordinary language. In ordinary language, we can start from the question. Add to a number, or while we can say adding to a number 2 more than the number is same as adding 2 to twice the number. Okay. And the algebraic expression is that we have already seen x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2. See the second question. Okay. We are doing it with the apples. If we want, you can do it with the caroms, coins, buttons, then broken pieces of bangles, anything else. Okay. Learn it by doing. Add 1 to a number and subtract 2. First, I have taken 5 as the number. Add 1 to a number means 5 plus 1. Subtract 2 means minus 2. And we have to write it in another way. So, first 5. Add 1 to the number means 5 plus 1. And then we have to subtract 2. So, we have to take 2 from here. 1, 2. That means from the first set, only 1 is taken away. Okay. So, it is 4 is equal to the first number minus 1. Then, if we are taking 6 plus 1, 6 apples are taken and 1 more. So, 7. Minus 2, taking 2, 1, 2, that is same as taking 1 from the first set. And here, in this set, do you know how many apples are there? No. So, we can write it as P. We don't know the number, we can use a letter. So, we can write it as P here. Any letter we can use. Then P plus 1. So, 1 more is added. The set from the to the set, 1 more is added and take 2. We can first take this apple taken and 1 from the set. Okay. So, it is P minus 1. P minus 1. So, adding 1 to a number and subtracting 2 from it is the same as subtracting 1 from the number. P plus 1 minus 2 is equal to P minus 1. The third one. Add to a number the double of itself. So, let us take the jar of candies. Here 1 jar contains n, that we have already seen, and add to a number the double of itself, double of the number 2n. So, it is 3n. And we have to do on several numbers. Just see the least number. We can take 1. 1 plus the double of 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is same as 3 into the first number. Then take the number as 2. 2 plus the double of 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is same as thrice the number. 3 into 2. Then 3. Double of 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is same as 3 into 3. So, adding to a number the double of itself is same as thrice or 3 times the number. Okay. Fourth one is, to a number add another and subtract the first. To a number x, add another y, x plus y. From it, subtract x minus 6 means y. First number is subtracted, then only this number remains. And doing it with several numbers, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus the first number, 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 means the second number or the added number. 8 plus 7, subtract the first number 8. The added number 7 only. 100 plus 40, 140 minus 100, the first number, is equal to the added number 40. So, to a number adding another and subtracting the first is the same as the added number. Now the last question. Subtract 2 times a number from 5 times the number. We can think of our bottle, candy bottle, n, carrying n. Subtract 2 times a number, 2n, from 5 times the number, 5n. 5n minus 2n is equal to 3n. Or we can take with several numbers. 5 into 2, taken 2 as the number, minus 2 into 2 is equal to 6. That is equal to 3 times the number. 5 into, taken 3 as the number. 5 into 3 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 is same as 3 into 3. So 5n minus 2n is equal to 3n. Okay. So here whatever may be the numbers taken, this relation does not change. That is why the name of the unit is unchanging relations. Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next class.